let's say your boo, he texts you or she texts you and they like, I'm outside, like let's go. All you gotta go is like this. You're outside? Oh, okay. Hold on, babe, I'm coming. Ready? What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacey and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Alrighty guys, so today we are going to do a very quick video. I know you guys commented, I'll put it right here on the screen, you guys love my long videos, but today's video is going to be quick because it has to be. Like, it literally, there's no way for this video to be long. So let's go ahead and get into it, period. For today's video, this video is going to be for the girls that do not know how to lay their lace wigs, that don't like laces. They just want something quick and easy, like literally less than 10-minute install hairstyle. They want something that they can shake, throw on, and go. If that is you, then you have stumbled on the right video, and keep on watching. So today's video is sponsored by Gorgius. They did go ahead and send me their unit 14-inch shaggy bang wig. This is what their packaging looks like. It didn't come with much goodies in there. It was pretty simplistic. You just got your wig, and then you also got wig caps, which I'm wearing right now. So let's go ahead and just get into this wig install. Let me show you guys what the wig is looking like. This is what the wig looks like. It is just a loose curly wig. This is supposed to be 14 inches, so it is pretty short, but it's gonna give us a more natural vibe, which, you know, period, if that's what you're going for, you know. Also, you guys do get like a bang with it. Let me show you guys the interior of this wig. So the inside, the construction of this wig is very simplistic. Like I said, this wig is for the girls that don't like laces. There's no lace on this wig. It's nice and snug. You just slide it on your head, fluff it up, and you go. When I first took the wig out, I did go ahead and show you guys what the curl was looking like. It is very important that when you take the wig out of this package, all you really have to do is take it and shake it vigorously, okay? Shake that wig so the curls can pop. I'll show you guys again. I was just shaking the wig. I turned it upside down and we just shook the curls out. As you guys also see on this side of the screen, I did go ahead and spray the hair a little bit with water. I didn't want to drench the hair because this is not, I like long curly hair, and because this wig is short, I want to give it short vibe, so I want it to be more poofy rather than long and wet. But if you do want to wear the hair nice and wet and you want to define the curls, you can do that. This wig also does have a adjustable, well, not adjustable, but like an elastic band. So let's go ahead and just get this wig on my head, girl. Okay guys, so this is what the wig is looking like once I put it on my head. If you guys know me, you guys know I like long wigs, so this is very different for me. If you guys see me looking here, it's because my mirror is over here. But I do like very long hair, and I also never really wear bangs with my wig, so this wig is very different. But trust me, I see you girls, I be seeing y'all on Instagram, I see you on YouTube, I see y'all on TikTok, and I know y'all like wigs like this. I know I be seeing you guys love wigs that just be super easy to throw on. Like I said, for me, I'm gonna go big on big, so I'm also gonna tease this wig a little bit just so we can get like a little bit more volume. I want the hair to be big. And let me just show you guys, like, y'all saw how easy it was to put this wig on. Like, I kid y'all not, you guys know in all my videos I literally say the same thing: I'm running late, I'm running late, I'm running late. This is something that I need in my life. Like, it takes time to install laces. So let's say my lace is not on my head and I need to get out this house. This is like literally a wig you can throw on. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and just show you guys what the wig is looking like in a full 360. I knew this video was going to be super short because this wig is just super, it just cooperates. So let me just show you guys what it's looking like. This is what the curl looks like from the back. It's giving big, it's giving body. I just love it. I think it's super cute. We got a little shake going on to it. We're playing with the curls. So yeah guys, this is what the wig is looking like. So I did I'll also put on the screen, I did cut the wig just a little bit in the front because I wanted it to hang low on my eyes, but obviously not too low where it's covering. So let's say we wanted to go lower. The reason why personally I can't wear my wig too low is because I have lashes on, but if I didn't and I wanted my hair to like really like kind of cover the eyes, and you really wanted to give it that kind of vibe, I would wear it like this. And that's what I love about the wig. It fits very snug on the head, so I feel like I can literally do cartwheels in this wig and it's not gonna fall off. But you know, also it's just so adjustable. Like if you wanted it to be further back, you really wanted to give it that Annie vibe. I don't know if y'all ever watched the movie Annie, but her bang was kind of like this. But like if you really want like that short bang, you don't really want too much hair in your face, you can pull it back. For me, you know, I like to cover the forehead a little bit, so I'm just gonna pull it down. Yeah guys, so like I said, this wig is from Gorgius. I really do like this unit. So if you guys don't know, I don't really post this part on like my social media platforms, but I do go to the gym. You know, I'm trying to slim down, I'm trying to get the body nice or whatever. And one thing about this wig, this really might be my gym hair, because when I have like my laces on, I get like worried that I'm gonna sweat my lace out or just mess my laces up. And then also sometimes when I do like my natural hair and like slick back ponytails, once I'm sweating, it just doesn't look good anymore. My hair gets all frizzy and it just doesn't look bad. But the fact that this was so easy to throw on and it actually looks really, really cute. This is also for the girlies that are into fitness and they just want something quick and easy. You can go to the gym, put this on, take it off when you get back home. It is literally perfect. This is giving me like that boho chic vibe. It's just giving like, I really, really do like this hair. I think it's super cute. This hair is 110% out of my comfort zone. Y'all know I'm a girl. I'm a 30-inch bust down middle part jet black lace wig. That's me. But I'm actually very happy that I tried this unit out because I just feel like it gives me a different vibe, and you know, it's super duper cute. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, all the links to this wig will be down below in my description box, with promo codes, their deals and everything. I did check out their website. I love companies that offer Afterpay or anything, like any company like that, like Klarna or anything, because you can get this wig for a very inexpensive price. Like I said, I have this wig in 14 inches, so it is short, but they do have shorter inches if you want like an even shorter vibe, but I did do 14. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. I knew this video was going to be super fast. I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts on this hair. This hair is soft, it's poofy. When it comes to like running your hands through it, I am getting a little bit of tingling, but that's because it's curly hair. It's not giving me like knotted, it's just giving big floofy curly hair. So if you made it this far, go ahead and comment a purple heart, because y'all, I love my lip color in my shirt today. Super cute. But go ahead and comment a purple heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.